Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the issue of debentures, and today I will tell you the accounting treatment of the issue of debentures as the collateral security. So first, you may see the concept of the collateral security. Collateral security is called as secondary security. The primary security will be called as fixed assets. So sometime the company obtains the loan, that means from any bank or from any institution, financial institution, by giving the some asset as secured loan against. But the lending institutions may be bank, etc. That means if the assets are not sufficient, then demands the debenture as a collateral security. So the company provides the debentures as a security. That's why it is called as the collateral security if the primary assets are not sufficient to pay the loan money. So these are to be known as debenture issued as collateral security and the secured debentures. If company fails to pay the loan or along with interest, then the lenders or you may say bank is totally free to receive the money from the sale of the primary security, or if it is not sufficient, then from the collateral securities. That means it will be considered as issue of debentures, and against this the company has to pay the interest on the debenture also. Now the methods of issue of the debentures as the collateral security, there are two methods. First method is reference no collateral security will be shown. Second method is saying that means the collateral security will be shown. First is the entry for the loan. The both method remain same. When the loan has been taken from the bank, means the bank account debits to bank loan entry in the both with the value of the loan will remain same. The question is here, the security entry will be passed, means the debenture as a security entry will be passed or not. In the first method, no entry is made for the security. So that means on the liability side, below the liability side, only the bank loan or secured loan will be shown. That means as the loan is secured under the charge of security. Like example is given here, X company issued 10,000 debentures of 100 each for the loan of 10 lakh. So this entry will be passed only with the bank account debit to bank loan with the 10 lakh. Security entry will not be passed, so that you may see in the balance sheet on the liability side, secured loan, long term loan, you may say secured loan, that means the bank loan will be referred with the 10 lakh. And below you have to write down only the one narration which listed with the means the charge of security is given. No entry is made for the issue of collateral security. Single entry will be passed, that's why the effect will remain to the bank and to the bank loan. Second entry is reference against the loan, entry will be passed. So the second entry will be passed, debenture suspense account debits to the 9% debentures account, like the example has been given, issued as collateral security 10,000, 9% debentures against the face value 100. So this entry is passed for the debenture issued as security. Loan entry will remain same. So when the balance sheet is prepared, the both are to be shown in the balance sheet, security as well as loan. But now in the first method, now this is the example now the first is that company had debentures 10 lakh on 1st April. When it is 10 lakh, you may see in the balance sheet previous year data is listed with the 10 lakh. It means the previous year company had already have the debentures with the 10 lakh. So previous year is showing 10 lakh. During the year, company has taken the loan. Now we have to move to the notes to accounts. You may see at the end when the company has taken the loan from one particular bank, Punjab National Bank is listed. That means the loan value you have to list here with the 2 lakh. And this is referring the charge of security of 2 lakh 50,000 against this. So you may move towards means the loan from Punjab National Bank is to be listed as the notes to accounts here with the amount of 2 lakh. But now the securities is issued 10% debentures of the 2,50,000. So it means this entry will not be shown here in the first method because the entry is not made. So the 10% debenture is shown with the value which you have already 10 lakh, because the 2,50,000 which you are offering for as in security are not the part of the debentures. Now entry is not made, so no entry will be passed. So total is remaining 12 lakh. It will come to the current year of the balance sheet. So you may see the non-current liabilities. Long term borrowing is listed 12 lakh. It is coming from the notes to accounts by making the additions of the 10% debentures and the loan from bank loan. The total value leads to the long term loan, and then the previous year debentures are 10 lakh. Now the same question I am moving to the second method. Now you may see with the second method with the same question, what is the change? In the balance sheet there is no change. The value is same. Answer in the notes to account is also same. But the one thing is only the reflector is same to the 10% debentures because the security entry is adjusted here. So the first is the 10% debentures you have to write down. Already had 10 lakh. Now the security issued as collateral security 2,50,000 you have to increase because this is the part of entry. Now debenture suspense to the 10% debentures account. So the 2% 10% debentures are increasing the value of 10 lakh. So that's why it is coming 12 lakh 50,000. And immediately the debenture suspense account is now debited. You have to delete. You have to deduct from this the 2 lakh 50,000. It means the answer again is 10 lakh with the original value which the company already had related to the debentures. Only the one thing is here, entry is reflecting increase the value of the debentures with the collateral security and immediately to deduct from as a name of debenture suspense. So in the balance sheet, the answer is not changed. The total of notes to account is not changed, but only the 10% debentures reflector is only changed. So this is the scheme of your issue of debentures now. Next. Thank you.